Hello everyone. Today we will see how to send emails to multiple people with multiple files from a particular folder. Here you can see these are the people we are going to send the emails, their email IDs, and the subject is the same, and the email body I created from the name are dynamic for each email body. This is the folder location from the all files we are going to get into the email as attachment. So you can see this is the sub procedure. We are going to send all the files from a particular folder, declaring output as object. This is the output application, and declaring e item as object. This is the email item. Then we have to set the output application, that is equal to create object outlook.application, and setting the e item equal to output application.create item. Then here we will declare iRow comma last row as integer, declaring the sh as worksheet, my file directory, and my file as string. So we will set that sh, that is from the this workbook dot seeds emails. You can see this is the seed name emails, and the last row we will found how many rows used in that particular sheet. Here we can see that is 8 rows we used here. sh.range a1.current region.rows.count. From that we can find how many rows used in that particular sheet. Under the on error resume next. First of all, when we run the command button, there will be a message box. For that, in the if statement message box, are you sure you want to send email and all files from the folder? The folder is from the E column. That's the same folder we are going to select for the all emails. So that is E2. We can select from the sh.range E2 value. Then VB question mark will be there. Also VB just no button. Title as confirmation. If we click the no button, then exit the sub procedure. If we click just only, emails will be sent to all people. Then within the for statement, for iRow is equal to 2 to last row. iRow, you can see this, the first name is starting from second. That's why iRow is equal to 2 to last row. Last row, that is total 8 rows. So we will assign to the my file directory string variable, that is the folder location. From desktop, there's a folder called, you can see here, a folder called test folder. Here in that folder few files are there, so you can see that is in the E column. You can see in the E column the folder name is here, so dynamically we can put the folder name here after this slash. So finally there we have to put the slash. Then my file is assigned by directory of my file directory. Then within the with statement, with e item, then we have to set the e item to create the new email. Then 2, that is from the B column. For each people, that is from the B column, the email IDs are there. To CC, we can put our email ID. For the BCC, we can put any email ID, or else we can keep it empty. For the subject, dot subject, that is from the C column. You can see C column dynamically, that is the email subject. The email subject is same, or else we can put the subject here within double quotes as well, or else we can get it dynamically like this way. And person, then there will be a colon, then we can put the current date using the format function date, and that this is the date format. Dot body, in the body we can get dynamically from the D column. You can see that is D column. Here in the email body the name is dynamic. Then we are going to attach the files from the particular folder for all emails. So using these lines, do while my file not equal to empty, then we will attach all files from the particular folder one by one. Then we will display that. We are not going to send. If we are going to send, just we will comment this one, then we can comment out, then it will send directly. To display, we can comment the send one. So closing the with statement, then closing the post statement. Then finally on error go to 0. After sending all emails, we will get a confirmation message box like successfully sent. Finally, we have to set the email item and output application nothing, because earlier here we set the item and output application here. So finally we have to set them nothing. I will give this coding in the description. You can copy this. Now here I created a save as button. We will right click this button and assign this macro in this workbook. Okay. Now when we click the button to send the all emails, you can see the message box, the confirmation title, the question mark here, just no button here. Are you sure you want to send the email and all files from folder name test folder? This folder name I gave dynamically there. If we click no, it will not send. Let's click yes. You will see all emails are drafting. Finally, after drafting all emails, you can see the message box successfully sent. Just we'll click OK. You can see there are 7 people's name there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can see last name is this one. To this person, copy to this one. The subject is same. Shipping documents week 5 and the current date in this format. And the all files attached from the particular folder. And dear Rosen, please find the attached documents. Thanks. To another person, dear Gaushigan. You can see this. Okay, in this way we can send bulk emails attaching multiple files from different folders. This will make easy to send emails in your organization. Thank you.